the music of Dax J. Is the boiler room like a good set to represent him? I don't know. Well, he should play anything to represent him properly. So this is where we're going to get our first impression of Dax J.
We're closing out with a banger. He's a DJ and producer from London. He has...
Okay, so him closing out the boiler room. Are closing sets the mainline sets, or are they the closing sets? You know?
Please welcome Dax J.
Dax J looks like a good man. He looks like a good boy. But that's how they get you. Wolf in sheep's clothing. What are you talking about? This woman to the left of him looks like she was like hired to be like a sign interpreter, but there are no words, so she's like just expressing the vibes, I guess. But like, you know, I guess filling in the blank of, do they have that? Do they have interpreters like to fill in the blank from like what the bass is making them feel for the frequencies that they can't tell? Is she like, it's like an ambient sound. It's like doing one of these, and then it's like going like this, you know? Do they have that? She just looks like a sign language interpreter, but like for techno. I'm blocking her body, but. Yes, buddy. Yes. I feel like I'm hitting a lull in my production journey that DJing would help me fill. Yeah. Making eye contact in the club with other people feels so awkward to me. And I don't know what that is about myself, but I can't do it. That sound was like too reminiscent, or I don't know if reminiscent is the word, but like it was too akin to like what you would hear during a crisis. Like I hate like normalizing the sound of a crisis alarm. That just stresses me the fuck out. Let's look at some pre-COVID Dax J. I think I'm too autistic for this kind of music. I like need the transitions and shit to like be really apparent, like bam, boom, it's here, bam, bam, bam. Like that's what I need in order to really feel the progression. If he wanted to be the worst man on the world, he would get away with so much just by the way he looks. I hope you're not using those powers for evil, sir. I hope not. I pray to God you're not. And if you are, I can't say I'm surprised because after all, you are of the male species. Let me not be petty like that. But I will not feed into the trope that boys will be boys, but boys are boys, and damn, you know? Unrelated, but well, kind of related. European guys have this way of like winking, where normally like an American dude that winks at me, I'm like, ew, what the fuck? gross, creepy. But like when a European guy does it, I'm like, oh, like it gets me. I don't know what it is. I don't know what sort of mental capacity or like chutzpah or what it is, but like, no. American dudes, stop winking. It's creepy as shit, dog. I kind of want to smoke again, but then I don't want to get fucking shocked by lightning. But then what if it's like a fucking misfit situation and I get superpowers? But what if it's not? And then whatever powers that be that saved Trump and it may be saving Biden, who knows, because he got COVID, decides to be like, hey, actually, let's kill you extra hard. Like, what if I get struck by lightning? Not gonna work. Ooh. Have to pee. BRB. For some reason, I'm sure it's probably the lighting as well, but this seems like so much, this environment that this sound is setting feels so dangerous to me. I think it's the high pitches. It's like, it's not like a darkness where like we all are brooding together or like, you know, just letting it engulf us together. This feels like, you know, there's someone coming. There's a shark attack about to happen in this crowd. Like, that's how it feels. I don't care for that. I don't care for that at all. I wonder, yo, when people like come up behind the DJ like, oh, I'm gonna say hey and shit, like that time I noticed it happened like while he was actively making a transition. I'm sure like other DJs would respect when another DJ was about to do something before being like, oh hey buddy, haha, guess who? Am I putting too much importance? Well, he probably thinks it's nothing. He's been doing this for so long. His girlfriend could like probably tell him like, oh my god, I'm pregnant, and like he'd still make the transition, no problem. So maybe I'm just, as a novice, I'd be like, get the fuck off of me. Like, don't you think I'm about to do this thing? How could you? You're rooting for my failure. Like,